What's up guys, on today's video I got a very exciting install. It is a super easy plug and play installation, and if you guys haven't noticed it already, my taillights are changed out. The driver's side is currently smoked out black, and this is the OEM version right now. So I went ahead and installed this first because I was creating a short video, but now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to install these taillights. Now I got these from Cartrimhome. They are not only smoked out, but they are also sequential. So it has a really cool LED display, which I'll show you guys at the end of the video. But let's go ahead and get to the install. But I wanted to mention before I get into that install, there is just one tool that you need in order to get this done, and it is going to be a socket wrench. And you need a specific extended socket wrench in order to get this done, because the taillights do have an extended bolt that you need to have this extended socket wrench in order to get it done. And this is going to be a 10mm, so that's all you need to do, and this is going to be a plug and play, so it is very easy. Now I'm going to have a link below in case you guys are interested in these taillights, and make sure you guys use my promo code to take 7% off. That's PL7P. So I'll drop a link below again if you guys are interested in getting the item. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the installation. So as I mentioned, I already installed the driver's side. It is a super easy install. All you need to do is basically remove this panel right here, and you're able to plug and play the harness right on there. I went ahead and did it on this side because it was a lot easier, and I already did a short video for that. But now I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side. It's a little bit more difficult to access, but all you need to do is access this rear panel and then stick your wrench into here, and there's gonna be two 10mm bolts. You can basically feel it. There's one right here and then one on the lower end, and you can basically pop this out. So let's go ahead and get to the install and the wiring. With your 10mm, go ahead and stick it inside and feel for the bolt. Once it's loosened, it's a lot easier to just use your fingers. And take out the bolt. That's the first one. I'm gonna feel for the second one. And then let's go ahead and remove that side. There you go. Now that both nuts are taken out, you can go ahead and take out the headlights. Just wiggle it, and they'll slide out. And then there's gonna be two harnesses that you just need to remove, or actually just one harness to remove, and that'll come right off. Let's go ahead and take out the taillights. There's only gonna be this harness that plugs right into the vehicle. Everything is already wired with all the sequentials and all that good stuff. So let's go. Grab the harness, the wiring harness, plug it in. It slips right back here. Line up the holes. Get your 10mm. The other side. Now get your socket wrench and go ahead and tighten it up. You don't want to tighten it too tight because you don't want to break any of the plastic tabs on your taillights. Get your cover. Voila, there you go. All right, the moment you guys been waiting for, let's go ahead and unveil the last taillight. Ooh. Look at that. It's a beauty. Let's go ahead and check out the sequentials. So now that I have both taillights installed, I'm gonna go ahead and use my remote. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys unlocking the vehicle. This is how it looks like. Again, lock and then unlock. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is turn on the car. Let's go ahead and turn on the lights. As you guys can see, these sequentials are going off. Pretty cool. And that's the end of the sequence. Now let's go ahead and turn on the driver's side left turn. Now the right side. Now the hazards, both sides. All right, let's go ahead and put it on reverse. Let's take a look at that. There you go. It's nice and LED. Let's take a closer look. So this is how the reverse looks. LED, very, very sharp. Let's go ahead and turn left turn again. Very, very nice. And as you guys can see, the lines are very clean. They did a really good job with the taillights. Both sides super flushed. I've seen some bad taillights where they extend and stick out from the body, but this is really, really clean. The lines are very, very nice and sharp. So there you have it, guys, another mod that I got from Cartrimhome. Super easy install, took me less than 20 minutes to get this new look, new uplift. And if you guys can see, I also have the rear, the side view mirrors from Cartrimhome. Now everything is sequential. Very cool. Easily able to spot you in the dark. I love the way it changed the way the vehicle looked. It is LED. It is just really good quality. And again, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and be sure to check out Cartrimhome, and be sure to use my promo code to save 7% off on these taillights and also get free shipping on the order. I'll catch you guys on that next one.